Let me show you how to print selected pages within a received email. Let's go down, for example, and we'll click on this email that I received. And we open it up, and we see that if I go to the File menu and I click on Print, I don't have the option to select which pages I want to print. In other words, this email I'll have to print the whole thing. I can select the number of copies, but I cannot select specifically the pages that I want. I can the number of pages, I can either select all of them, the even ones or the odd ones, but I can't select just one page from the email. So I'm going to show you how to change that. If the email is in an HTML format, you won't have that problem. You'll be able to print. The print menu will give you the option to select pages. But if you have a text email and you want to change it, just go to Edit. First you have to obviously open up the email to a full view and click on Edit, and then go to Edit Message. And once you're in Edit Message, now you can go to Format, and we'll give you the option to select HTML over instead of the plain text. Now once you are in an HTML and you go to print, you'll see that the print menu is different, and you can actually go within the print menu. We see we have a different print window here, and now we can go ahead and select which pages one, and we see that if we want to choose a series of pages, we just put a hyphen in between, or we can just select individual pages separated by a comma.